Let's review how to configure delivery availability days for your local delivery method. To start, navigate over to your app settings page. From this setting page, select the Local Delivery Configuration menu. Scroll down to the Date and Time Pickers block and Enable Delivery Time Picker checkbox. Click Save to update settings. Next, move to the Locations page from App Navigation panel. Click Edit on the specific store profile you wish to configure. Scroll down to Local Delivery section. Here you can see Delivery Slot. You'll find two options to set up time slots. One is for same time slots for every day of the week, and another one is for different time slots for each days. Let's first select same time slots for every day of the week. Let's set up time slots. First time slot is 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Second time slot is 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Add new for more time slots. Click on the Save button to update the settings. Now let's go to front-end cart page and check the time slots which we set up. Select the local delivery method once widget load. Click on the Date Picker field and select the delivery date. After select the delivery date, you can see time slots, which we set up in the settings. Let's go back to app. Now let's set up different time slots for each days. Here select different time slots for each weekdays. Let me set up time slot for Tuesday. Select 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. first time slot. 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. second time slot, and third time slot is 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Let's now set up different time slot for Wednesday. Select 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. first time slot. Click New for 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. second time slot. Click on the Save button once configuration is completed. Let's go to front end and reload the cart page. Select the local delivery method once widget load. Click on the Date Picker field and select the delivery date for Tuesday. As you can see, for Tuesday, have 3 time slots as we set up in the app settings. Let's select Wednesday. You can see 2 time slots, which we set up for Wednesday in the app setting. On Thursday, you can see only 1 time slot because in the app setting there is only 1 time slot for Thursday. Don't forget to set up correct location time zone. Depending on the location time zone, time slots will be shown.